Here are 3 real laws from around the world that are too weird to believe. First, in the United Kingdom, a law from 1986 makes it illegal to handle a salmon in suspicious circumstances. Yes, that is a real crime. Next, for most of its history, the Happy Birthday to You song was not free to use. It was under a strict copyright until 2016, and companies had to pay thousands of dollars to use it in movies or TV shows. And finally, the act of jaywalking is a uniquely American concept. In many countries, including the United Kingdom and most of Europe, there is no law against crossing the street wherever you want. Is jaywalking illegal where you live? Let me know in the comments and subscribe for your daily facts.